You asked, how to divide 8,736 by 8 using the long division method. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 1 times 8 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down 7, making 7. 7 divided by 8 equals 0. 0 times 8 equals 0. 7 minus 0 equals 7. Bring down 3, making 73. 73 divided by 8 equals 9. 9 times 8 equals 72. 73 minus 72 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1092.